Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel English Fluency Lab, where I help you improve your English language skills. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the two words pending and impending. Now, is there any difference between these two words? Can they be used interchangeably? Well, that's exactly what we are going to find out in this video. So let's dive into it straight away. First of all, let us understand the meaning of the word pending. Now, pending means if an issue is pending, it means it is not yet concluded or resolved. It is not yet concluded or resolved. That's very important. It is waiting for a decision or confirmation, right? So that is the meaning of the word pending. Now let's understand this with a few examples so that it is clear to you. The results of the experiment are pending, which means waiting for the results to be finalized. We have a few pending issues on which we need the CEO's input, which means waiting for the CEO to give his or her opinion, right? So that is not yet concluded or resolved. 3. The cause of death is pending investigation, which means waiting for the police to investigate. And finally, there are two pending transactions in the bank account, which equates to the transactions have been initiated but have not yet finished, right? So I hope you are 100% clear when to use the word pending. Pending means it is not yet concluded or resolved. It is waiting for a decision or confirmation. Now let's move on to the word impending. Now impending means an impending event is one that will happen very soon. Right? That will happen very soon is very important. Impending often has a negative connotation, though not always. Now once again, let's understand this with a few examples. The weather forecasters are advising people to stay home due to the impending storm. Due to the impending storm means that the storm will definitely come. It has, okay, the weather forecasters have done their forecast. The soldiers prepared themselves for the impending battle. Impending battle means that the battle is going to happen very soon. It does not yet happen now, but it is going to happen very soon. She faced her impending death with peace and tranquility, right? Impending death means it's going to come very soon. My father is wrapping up his projects at work in preparation for his impending retirement, right? Impending retirement means he's going to retire very soon. Now, that is not a negative connotation, simply means that he will retire very soon. Now friends, for more positive events that will happen soon, we can use the word upcoming. I'm looking forward to my upcoming trip, right? In this also, which is not a negative connotation, you can say, my father is wrapping up his projects at work in preparation for his upcoming retirement, right? So it can be, in some cases, it can be used positively also. So friends, now that you have understood the meaning of the word pending and impending, let's take a quick quiz. But before I go to the quiz, friends, if you are finding value in the video, please give me a like and please do subscribe to my channel. All right. So let's move on to the quiz now. All right. I'm going to give you 6 questions. And after that, your choices are pending or impending. And after that, we'll discuss the answers. Here is the first question, right? I'm going to display all the questions and then I'm going to give you some time to think of the answers. Number 1, the dark clouds indicate and dash storm. We could get inside quickly. We should get inside quickly. That's the first one. 2, the company is preparing for the dash launch of their new product next month. 3, there are 2 dash messages in your email inbox that you need to read. 4, she is anxious because her job interview results are still dash. Number 5, the doctor warned us about the dash surgery. It will take place tomorrow morning. And finally, the results of the competition are still a dash. We will know the winners next week. Now friends, I want you to note down your answers on a piece of paper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video for 10 seconds and after that we will discuss the answers. So the 10 seconds start now. All right, let's discuss the answer. The first one, the dark clouds indicate an impending storm, right? Something which is going to come. Number 2, the company is preparing for the impending launch of their new product next month. Okay, the launch has already been planned. It's going to happen. Number 3, there are 2 pending messages in your email inbox. Number 4, she's anxious because her job interview results are still pending. Number 5, the doctor warned us about the impending surgery, something which is going to happen. It will take place tomorrow morning. And finally, the results of the competition are still pending. We will know the winners next week. So friends, how many did you get correct out of 6? Please post your scores in the comment box. And if you have found value in this video, friends, please give me a like, please subscribe to my channel, and please do press the bell. I need your help in reaching 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.